Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Hacks, where learning English is simple, fun, and practical. I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Henry. Hello, everyone. We are happy you are here with us today.
How are you today, Henry?
I'm doing great, Elizabeth. It's Monday, but I still feel happy because I had a wonderful weekend.
That's nice to hear. What made your weekend so special?
Well, I finally had some free time. No work, no alarms, no rushing anywhere.
That sounds amazing already.
Yes, I spent most of my time doing things I enjoy.
Perfect, because today's topic is all about weekends and our favorite free time activities.
I love this topic. Weekends are like little vacations every week.
Exactly. Before we begin, we have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Hacks for more easy English conversations. Also, share this episode with your friends who are learning English. Thank you for your support. Now, let's begin. Henry, what is the first thing you like to do on a weekend?
The first thing?
Easy. I turn off my alarm. That's your weekend activity? Absolutely. During the week, my alarm sounds like an angry robot. And on weekends?
Silence. Beautiful silence.
So you enjoy sleeping a little longer?
Yes. Not all day, but maybe an extra hour or two.
That's very common. Many people love sleeping late on weekends. What about you? Do you sleep late? Not really. I usually wake up early.
Even on weekends?
Yes, my body clock doesn't change much.
Wow, that's impressive.
I enjoy the quiet morning. The streets are calm and everything feels peaceful. I enjoy that too, after I wake up. Fair enough. Everyone, let's learn a useful phrase. Today's phrase is free time. Free time means the time when you are not working, studying, or doing important tasks. For example, in my free time, I enjoy reading books. In my free time, I like watching movies. Very simple and very useful. Henry, do you like staying indoors or going outside on weekends?
A little of both. Tell us more. On Saturday morning, I usually go outside. Where do you go? There is a lake near my house.
A lake? That sounds beautiful.
It is. I like walking around the lake and watching the birds.
That sounds relaxing.
Very relaxing. Sometimes I take photos too.
Oh, photography.
Yes. I'm not a professional photographer, but I enjoy taking pictures of nature.
That's a wonderful hobby.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Yes, I do. I often ride my bicycle in the park.
Really?
Yes, it's fun, healthy, and gives me energy.
I haven't ridden a bicycle for years.
Maybe it's time to start again.
Maybe. First, I need to remember how.
Don't worry. They say you never forget.
I hope that's true.
Let's talk about hobbies.
Good idea.
A hobby is an activity you do for fun.
Exactly. Something you enjoy in your free time. My favorite hobby is reading. What kind of books do you like? I enjoy stories about travel and adventure. Interesting. I prefer books about history. History can be fascinating. Yes, I love learning about how people lived in the past. Reading is also a great way to improve English. Absolutely. You can learn new words and sentence patterns, and you can read at your own speed. That's one reason many English learners enjoy reading. Let's practice a useful sentence pattern. The pattern is, I like to. For example, I like to ride my bicycle. I like to take photos. Now try one yourself. I like to walk near the lake. Perfect. And our listeners can make their own sentence too. Exactly. And I just realized something.
What is it? Weekends always feel too short. I think many people agree with you. Friday evening arrives, and suddenly it's Monday morning again. That happens to me too. So, Henry,
Besides walking near the lake, what else do you enjoy doing?
I love spending time with my family.
That's wonderful.
During the week, everyone is busy. We have work, school, and many responsibilities.
Yes, life can be very busy.
But on weekends, we usually have dinner together.
That sounds lovely.
We sit around the table, eat good food, and talk about our week.
Family time is very important.
I agree. Sometimes we laugh for hours.
Do you play games together?
Sometimes we do.
What kind of games?
Board games, mostly.
Who usually wins?
Definitely not me.
Really?
Yes, somehow everyone becomes a game expert when I join.
Maybe you need more practice.
Or maybe they need less practice. Let's learn a new word.
Today's word is responsibility.
A responsibility is something you must do. For example, I have many responsibilities at work.
Or parents have responsibilities at home.
Very useful word.
Many people enjoy watching movies on weekends.
I'm one of those people.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy adventure movies
Why adventure movies?
because they are exciting and full of surprises.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I prefer romantic comedies.
Really?
Yes, they make me smile.
I have watched a few romantic comedies.
And
I survived.
that's good to hear.
I still prefer adventure movies.
Everyone has different tastes.
That's true. Movies are also excellent for learning English. Absolutely. You can hear natural conversations and learn common expressions. If you are a beginner, use English subtitles. You can listen and read at the same time. That helps improve vocabulary and pronunciation. Sometimes I pause the movie and repeat sentences. That's a fantastic habit. Let's talk about music, one of my favorite topics.
Do you listen to music every day?
Almost every day.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
It depends on my mood.
Tell us more.
When I want to relax, I listen to soft music.
And when you have energy?
Then I listen to upbeat songs.
Good choice.
Music can completely change how I feel.
I agree.
Sometimes after a difficult week, music helps me relax.
Music can be very powerful. Everyone, let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I enjoy listening to music.
I enjoy listening to music.
I enjoy watching movies.
I enjoy watching movies.
I enjoy spending time with my family. Excellent. Notice that after enjoy, we use the verb with ing.
Not I enjoy watch movies.
Correct. We say, I enjoy watching movies. Great job. Do you ever try something new on weekends?
Yes, sometimes.
Like what?
Last month I tried gardening.
Gardening?
Yes, I planted some flowers.
How did it go?
Let's just say the flowers had a difficult time.
Oh no!
I think they were happier before I met them.
Gardening takes practice.
Apparently a lot of practice.
Will you try again?
Of course, I never give up.
That's the spirit.
Henry,
Do you study English on weekends?
of course.
What do you usually do?
I listen to English podcasts.
Great choice.
Podcasts are easy to listen to while walking, relaxing, or cleaning.
Exactly.
And what about you?
I like reading short English articles.
That's a great way to learn new words.
Yes, and I write down useful expressions.
Good habit.
Learning a little every day is better than studying for many hours once a month.
Consistency is important.
Let's learn 3 useful expressions.
Expression number 1. I
usually.
Example, I usually go for a walk on weekends. Expression number 2,
I often.
I often listen to music.
Expression number 3, I sometimes.
I sometimes visit my friends.
These expressions help you talk about your habits.
Henry, do you have a funny weekend story? Actually, yes. Let's hear it. A few weeks ago, I decided to bake a cake. That sounds nice.
It sounded nice.
What happened? I followed the recipe carefully. Good. I mixed the ingredients. Excellent. I put the cake in the oven. Everything sounds perfect. Then I waited. Okay. And waited. Yes. And waited some more. Henry? Then I realized something important. What? I forgot to turn on the oven. No way. Yes way. So the cake never baked? Not even a little. That's hilarious. It was not hilarious at the time. I can imagine. Now I always check the oven first. A valuable lesson.
Let's review today's lesson.
We talked about many weekend activities.
Spending time with family,
Watching movies,
listening to music,
learning English,
trying new hobbies.
and even baking disasters.
We also learned useful expressions.
I usually,
I often.
I sometimes,
And useful vocabulary like responsibility.
plus important grammar patterns.
I enjoy plus verbing.
I like to plus verb.
I love plus verbing. Now it's your turn.
Try saying these sentences aloud.
I love spending time with my family.
I enjoy listening to music.
I like to read books on weekends.
Excellent practice.
Well, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
Thank you for spending time with us here on Smart English Hacks.
We hope you learned some useful English and enjoyed our conversation.
If you like this episode, please subscribe to Smart English Hacks.
And share it with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite weekend activity?
Write your answer in English in the comments.
We would love to read your responses.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
See you in the next episode of Smart English Hacks.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.